This is the final video to fix Dune, awakening performance and crashing issues. Are you tired of your game freezing or closing by itself? Many players face lag, low FPS, or sudden crashes. It usually happens because your system settings or game files are not optimized. You may have tried other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they are often complicated and confusing, taking hours without real results. Today, Rex's has a simple trick that can boost your game performance and stop crashes instantly. You won't need to change dozens of settings or download heavy tools. If you want, I can show you a full step-by-step tutorial that makes this fix easy for anyone. Comment below if you want to guide you through it, and get ready to enjoy smooth gameplay without interruptions.